Hello there, my name is Stephen Adetolu. I am an affiliate marketer and an entrepreneur. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Click Domination product. The Click Domination product review created by three prominent individuals in the online marketing niche. One, Mani Hanif, is a Facebook ads expert and a product creator. Wine Crow is a traffic expert and the founder of Traffic Domination and Profit Vortex. And the third creator is Rohan Pinto. Rohan Pinto is a Google expert, and these are guys who permit me to say they know their job, they know their onions, and they are good at what they do. Now, my USP of this product, Click Domination, is that it is a system or a course that shows you a unique one-click secret system that helps you get buyer traffic for pennies in just 3 minutes. So this is one of the unique selling point of this product. And it also promises to show you how to control your traffic source and how to make daily consistent income with this traffic source. The system is easy to use. It shows you step-by-step video on how to set up and get high quality targeted traffic at, you will not believe it, at just 30 cents. You'll be amazed at what this training can offer. It also teaches you how to get tons of traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot. Now, the product has about 4 upsells. The front end product is about $12.95. Okay, this is the traffic domination product, where Rohan takes you through the Google product. Then this upsell, the first upsell, is a $27 product, where Wine offers to help you set up your Google account, set it up and running. Then the third upsell is more like a software that helps you build your campaign. Then the third upsell has to do with a 1-hour call, and it costs about $97. The fourth upsell is a VIP session, a 4-session VIP with Wine, and it costs about $297. Now, why am I advocating for this course, and why I think you should get this course, is that it is a powerful alternative to Facebook. Of course, we all know Facebook is banning accounts here and there today, just for no just reason. Then it also affords you the opportunity to own and master your traffic. Okay, you generate highly targeted traffic, and this traffic are yours. Then let's not also forget that Google is the #1 search engine, okay, in the world today. So getting traffic from Google is about the best, and is also a cheap alternative to solo ads. Now let me quickly take you through this course, traffic domination, click domination rather. This is what the course looks like. This is the front end product, and the first video, this is what the first video looks like. Here, Rohan takes you through the logic or the idea behind the concept. He shows you proofs of his earnings and how he's been able to achieve them. Okay, that's the first module. Oh, sorry. That's the first module. Then the second module Rohan takes you through how to configure your landing page, because as it is, Google synchronizes with your landing page. Rohan takes you through the entire process, and it is a 17 minutes or 20 minutes uh, uh, video course that takes you through, okay, the do and don'ts of your landing page. This is valuable. Then the third video, Rohan takes you through the keyword research and selection. Fantastic. It's an eye opener, a lot of fresh insights, new insights that you're going to be learning out of this alone. Then the fourth video, he shows you the right offers and how to configure your rotators, kind of. Okay, fantastic. Then the fifth video, it takes you through how to actually build your campaign such that your campaign becomes effective and profit oriented. Then the sixth video, Rohan takes you through the campaign optimization process. Everything you need to do to optimize your campaign. Then in the seventh video, Rohan takes you through email marketing and the back end sales. So for me, at a price of $12.95, it is ridiculously cheap for the course content. And this is the website, Click Domination website. You go through the entire process. Okay, you go through the entire process and you click on the add to cart at $12.95. Okay, and it also offers, I think, a 14-day money back guarantee. 14-day money back guarantee. So for me, because it's ridiculously cheap, you don't necessarily need to go for the entire product in the upsell category. The campaign for $27. That is, of course, if you feel like having wine build or set up the system for you. I don't think all of these courses are necessary. The first course, traffic domination, at $12.95, really gives you all the foundation learning that you really need to grab, and I feel that is just where you need to go. Then if you ask me what the cons are, I think for me, the training only focused on the make money online niche, which I think is a sort of limitation to so many people who are into other niches. Okay, I would have loved to see Rohan dive into, okay, optimizing for other niches. But having said that, if you are smart, you can just adapt the principle to any other niche that you really desire to go into. Then for me also, it has too many upsells, too many unnecessary upsells, if you ask me. So if you ask my final judgment on this, I would advise anyone to go for the Click Domination front end, which costs $12.95, and you get valuable course that sets you up for mastering Google AdWords, getting highly targeted traffic at ridiculously cheap price. So that is it, folks. My review on Click Domination training and course, and I hope you will grab a copy today. Just to grab your copy, I have left a link to the product in the description below. Just click on it and It will take you directly to the sales page where you can get access to the Click Domination product. I also left a link to other products, fantastic products by Wine and the rest of his team, which you can see in the description below. You will love them. These guys produce products that are top notch, and I encourage you to go to the link below and grab Click Domination course right now. Thank you for listening, and I hope to have you share your success story with me soon. Thank you.